All right, so we're going to multiply here by negative 8i over negative 8i. Remember that you always multiply by the complex conjugate of the denominator. That all sounds big, fancy, and kind of crazy, but it just means the opposite essentially in this case. So the opposite of 8i is negative 8i. So we multiply across the top, and 5 times negative 8 is negative 40. And that has an I on it. And then 8 times negative 8 is negative 64. I times I is I squared. And anytime you write I squared, you mark it out and you change the sign of the number in front of it. So we now have a negative 40i over a positive 64. So I know it's going to be a negative, and I know there's going to be an I in the numerator, the top of this fraction. I just need to think about how to reduce 40 over 64. So there's lots of ways that you might break that down. 40 could be 8 times 5, and 64, I think of that as 8 times 8. The 8's cancel. So that's just 5/8. So 5/8. So there is my reduced fraction. And notice there's no I in the denominator, so it is considered simplified. Okay, let's take a